Hey! Aw, thank you so much. You're literally the sweetest. My mascara, which has been fed to Stefussi. IDK because I don't live on Earth. I will link it in the description. Definitely Stelena. I'd say the closest is probably Caroline. Definitely Stefussi. Hey. Okay, so Shot, I've not watched it, but I've seen edits and it looks really good, so I'll let you know when I do. No way, Stefan is mine. Vampire Diaries and Elena, so I can have both the Salvador brothers and her wardrobe. I don't actually know the answer to this question. I'd say a good year and a half ago. There are so many, but my brain's gone blank, so I'll list them. I'll link it in the description. Time travel, because I'm always late, and that's just cool. Definitely TVD. Ooh, interesting question. I think if I was to add another character, I would add Blair Waldorf from Gossip Girl, and she would be a witch and related to, I don't know, the Salvators. Oh shit. How do I stop it?